Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm gonna let you guys know what can you do if there's a duplicate transaction on your DBS credit card. If you find a duplicate transaction on your DBS credit card, then you could try these steps. What you could do is first thing, log into your Dizzy Bank mobile app and check the transaction. Apart from it, you could also go to the payment control on the app itself and lock the card at the same time. After which, you could also go and contact the merchant in order to resolve the issue with the merchant. And or else you could also raise a chargeback request, or else you could contact the DBS customer service. Now, besides this, you could also go ahead and do the steps. First of all, you could conduct self-verification before you raise a fund dispute. That is, you could go with the merchant name, transaction date, supplementary card holder, all that. And you need to learn about the transaction eligibility before you report a fraud submissions. You could see that these are the eligibility or non-eligible transaction. So after which you could go and report a fraud dispute, and you could also go with the payment control help. That means you have to contact this customer service team and they should be able to help you out with this matter. With this, we have come to an end. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.